How to fix iPhone. Not receiving text messages after iOS 18. If you're facing an issue where your iPhone isn't receiving text messages after the iOS 18 update, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you 6 easy solutions to fix this problem. Let's get started. Our first solution is to refresh airplane mode. To do this, open the Settings app, enable airplane mode, wait for 10 seconds, and then disable it. Sometimes this quick refresh helps reconnect your phone to the network. Next, try restarting your iPhone. If you're using iPhone 8 or later, follow these steps. Quickly press and release the volume up button, then quickly press and release the volume down button. Now, press and hold the side or power button until you see the Apple logo. The third solution is to turn iMessage off and then back on. Go to Settings, scroll down, and tap on Messages. Now, turn off iMessage, wait for 10 seconds, and turn it back on. Solution 4. Disable Filter Unknown Senders and enable Send as SMS. Open the Settings app. Go to Messages, scroll down, and turn off Filter Unknown Senders. Then make sure Send as